Hi friends, in this video let us solve a Fourier transform related question asked in GATE 2004 EC. Let x of t and y of t be with the Fourier transforms x of f and y of f respectively related as shown in figure. Find y of f. You see x of t is given, y of t is given. So what we have to find the Fourier transform of y of t. So Fourier transform of y of t which is equal to y of f. So what I have to find, see we have to find y of f in terms of x of f. Everything is in terms of x of f. So first I have to find the relationship between y and x. So from this y of t is equal to, you see it is in positive, it is in negative. So time reversal, amplitude reversal is taking place. So it is +1, it is -1. So minus x of, you see it is going from -2 to +2, that is 4. It is going, total distance is 4. Here interval is 2. So it is scaled by the factor of 2. So it is 2, right, into t. From here you see what is the new center. It is -1. So -1 means left shifted. So put +1. Right. So what is y of t? Y of t is equal to minus x of 2t plus 1. So y of t is equal to minus x of 2t plus 1, right? So from this we can easily do the problem. So what is the thing? It is scaling and shifting, both are there. So first what we have to do, x of t is x of f. So x of t has a Fourier transform of f of f, then x of 2t has a Fourier transform of 1 by 2 x of f by 2, because x of at has a Fourier transform of 1 by a x of f by a property. Then what you have to find, it is shifting. First we have done scaling, then you have to do the shifting. So x of 2t plus 1 is Fourier transform is 1 by 2 x of f by 2 e power j2 by f. What is the reason? Because x of t minus t naught has a Fourier transform of x of f e power, if you put plus, it is x of t plus e power j2 by f. So if you take this is x of t and this is x of f, this is x of t plus t naught, this is x of f e power j2 by f, right? So that is the point, right? Here t naught is 1, so 2 pi f t naught. Okay, so 2 pi f into 1. Fine. And we have minus x of 2t plus 1. So Fourier transform is minus 1 by 2 x of f by 2 e power j2 by f. So the answer is, this is the answer. So the answer will be having minus. So minus 1 by 2. Minus should be there. Minus 1 by 2 x of f e power j2 by f. So option B is the right answer. Thank you.